Welcome back to Free Beer Friday. You guys are the most passionate homebrewers out there and we love it. That's why we're giving something away every month. Speaking of last month, let's go over last month's winner of the Brewbilt X3 Conical. And the winner is
Matthew S. from Las Vegas, Nevada.
We can't wait to see what you make of it. Enjoy. You know, we're all about homebrewing here. We love homebrewing, it's so much fun, but I've got another hobby, and it's a hobby that actually saves me money. And I love it so much that we want to talk to you about it. It's roasting your own coffee beans. This month, we're giving away the incredible Fresh Roast SR800. It's an awesome roaster. This is 6 ounces here, but it'll do up to 8 ounces. And you're roasting beans in like 10 minutes. So it's fast, fully controllable, and just an awesome home roaster. And you try to find freshly roasted coffee near you, it's getting expensive out there, especially to get a single origin coffee and then to get it roasted the way you like it. The beauty of home roasting is you are fully in control, just like home brewing, but man, you can notice what that fresh flavor is. Take a pound of Ethiopian beans, one of my favorite. This is Sidamo. It's about $9 a pound. Take that and you roast it down. Now you do lose some weight. That's why most roasters sell 12 ounces instead of a pound. But you're talking $9 or under $10. You're making gourmet coffee. We'll demonstrate using this roaster this month to show you how easy it is. And so to win, go to morebeer.com/freebeerfriday and enter that monthly giveaway. Comment below. Have you ever roasted your own coffee beans? Do you love good coffee? What do you love about good coffee? Love to hear your thoughts. Yes, you can actually roast your own for brewing a beer. In fact, I've heard of people roasting their own malts. I know nothing about that, so I can't answer those, but would love to hear what you know. Okay, well that's it for this month's Free Beer Friday. Can't wait to see who wins next month. Maybe it's you.